Folks, let's continue our videos in the introduction to Vedic mathematics. We're now on 2.4, and 2.4 talks about the sutra first by the first and the last by the last. So this is one special case. We're still in the special case multiplication. So products like 43 times 47, we have talked about this in 2.1, or rather 2.2, okay, are easy to find because the first digits are the same and the last digits add up to 10. So if you can remember, we have faced this in a previous video. So similarly, the products like 27 times 87, okay, are also easy to find. But here, the last digits are the same and the first digits add up to 10. So this 2.4 is very similar to 2.2, only that the rules are somehow um, um, applied in reverse. You know, these rules here, I mean the conditions. So here, previously, we have a condition wherein the tens digit or the first digits are the same and the last digits add up to 10. Here, we do it in an opposite manner, wherein the first digits add up to 10 and the last digits are the same. So let's give an example, shall we? So we're going to make use of this example, still 27 times 87. So what is the solution? So step one, we first multiply the first digit of each number. So the first digits are not the same. So 2 times 3. And then add this number to the last digit. So remember, the last digit is the same. So it's going to be 2 times 8 plus 7. So 2 times 8 is going to give us 16. 16 plus 7 is going to give us 23. And this 23 of ours is going to be the leftmost part of the answer. Again, we multiply the digits, the first digits, and add that same digit, 7. After that, we're just going to solely multiply. The rightmost part of the answer is obtained by multiplying the last digits together. So, it's like squaring them. So 7 times 7 is, 49. So that's 2349. You just combine the steps 1 and 2, and then you'll get a 4-digit number. Okay, let's have one more example. So say we have 49 times 69. So what will be our solution? We multiply 4 times 6, that's 24. 24 plus 9 is going to give us 33. So let's put that as a thousands and hundreds place. And then 9 times 9, we know that as 81. So we have 3381 or 3381. So let's take a look at this practice. You may want to pause the video. We apply this 2.4 first by the first and the last by the last, and then we will rationalize after that. Go. Okay, now let's try and answer this. So number one, 3 times 7 is going to give us 21. 21 plus 8 is going to give us 29. So that's our first two digits, 29. 8 times 8 is 64. So we have 2964 or 2964. Okay, number two, 2 times 6 is, sorry, 2 times 8, sorry. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is going to give us 22. And 6 times 6 is 36. So we have 2236 or 2236. Number three, we have 91 times 11. Actually, we can apply the 2.1 here, which is multiplication by 11. But let's do it in the 2.4 manner. So we have 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. And then 1 plus 1 is 1. So we have 1001. Take note, the second part should be a two-digit number. So 1 times 1 is 1. So we're going to write that as 01. So we have 1001 or 1001. So that's 1001. And number four, we have 59 times 59. So we have 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 9 is going to give us 34. 9 times 9 is 81. So we have 3481 or 3481. Okay, so we end this video with the exercise for the whole Vedic Maths I in the special case multiplication. So we're going to make use of one or more of the special multiplication methods to solve the following. Okay. So I'm going to give you a minute to answer it.
The game begins.
So here we go.
In 3, 2, 1.
Okay. So you should be on number 3 right now, hopefully. Okay, video is not mine. This is the owner of the video. So you should be now, hopefully by number 5. Okay, you should be on number 7 now. Hopefully you're um, more than halfway there. Okay, you're number 9 now. And we have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so time's up. Let's wrap it up and then let's answer. Number one first. So this is multiplication by 11. So we have write the 4 in the first part, write the 6 in the last part. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 4, 7. 3 plus 6 is 9. So we have 4, 7, 9, 6. That's our answer for number one. Um, 11,111 times 11. So we're going to make use of multiplication by 11s. So we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. So we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, so that's 122,221. So now number three, we have 73 times 77. The first digits are the same, and the second digits add up to 10. So what we're going to do, we're going to have one more than the one before. 7 times 8 is going to give us 56. 7 times 3 is 21. So 56, 21. Number 4, we have 883 times 999. So we're going to multiply this, deduct 1 from here. So we have 882, and then all from 9 and the last from 10, 1, 1, last from 10, 7. So we have 882,117. Number 5, the last digits are the same. The first digits are not the same. So this is just our latest content. So we have 4 times 6 is 24 plus 6 is going to give us 30, 30. 6 times 6 is 36, so we have 30, 36. Number 6, we have 61 times 69. First digits are the same. Second digits add up to 10, so we have 6. Um, and then we're going to add 1 more than the one before, so 6 times 7 is going to give us 42. 9 times 1 is 9, so we're going to put that at 0, 9. So 4209. Number 7, multiplication by 9. So we have 4449. We're going to minus 1 from this 50. So 4449. Apply the all from 9 and the last from 10. 4449, 5, 5. This is the last number, 5, and then we put 0. So 44495550. Number 8, we apply the sutra. Okay, the last digits are the same. The first digits add up to 10. So we have 8 times 2, our latest content. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18. 2 times 2 is 4, but we're going to write that as 04. So 1804. Number 5, 56 times 54. First digits are the same. The last digits add up to 10. So 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 4 is 24. So 30, 24. And then lastly, this digits here. 2 times 2 is 4. Or rather, sorry, we're going to add more than one more than the one before. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then 8 times 2 is 16. So 616. Okay, so those are the solution for the exercises. Hopefully you got some high scores there. Um, if not so, of course, you can always rewatch and review the videos. I think I have a total of 4 videos for this Vedic Maths I and special case multiplication. So if you have any confusion in any part of the video, of course, you can always look back into it. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you like, and then share this video out to your colleagues or such. So see ya.